There are four seasons in a year: summer, spring, winter, autumn. Winter is the coldest season. It occurs after autumn and before spring. Spring is the season between winter and summer. It is the transition from winter to summer. In this season, the temperature rises slowly. Summer is the hottest of the four seasons. It comes after spring and before autumn. The days are longest and the nights are shortest. In autumn, the tree leaves change color and the temperature becomes colder. Autumn is called as fall in the United States because leaves fall from the trees at that time. Autumn is the transition from summer season to winter season. Have you ever wondered why seasons change? Why spring always follows winter? Why summer comes after spring? Why autumn comes after summer? To understand why this happens, you need to know how our planet Earth moves in space. We know that Earth has the shape of a sphere. The Earth rotates around its own axis. The Earth's axis is an imaginary line that runs through the poles of the Earth, that is, the North Pole and the South Pole. The Earth is also surrounded by another imaginary line which is called as equator. The equator divides the Earth into northern and southern hemisphere. The Earth rotates around its own axis as well as revolves around the Sun. The path in which the Earth revolves around the Sun is called the orbit. During rotation and revolution, when the northern hemisphere points towards the Sun, it experiences summer season, while the southern hemisphere is away from the Sun, so it has winter season. Rotation and revolution goes on. Now, when the northern hemisphere points away from the Sun, it has winter season, while the southern hemisphere comes towards the Sun, so it gets more sunlight, creating summer season. So, when it is summer in northern hemisphere, it is winter in southern hemisphere. And when it is winter in northern hemisphere, it is summer in southern hemisphere. This cycle goes on. Winter changes to spring, then comes summer, and summer is followed by autumn. So now we know why we have four seasons on earth. Thank you.